Hi, it's John here. Sorry for not posting video for a little while because I have been very busy. Today I'm going to make a cilantro barbecue wings. The ingredients are very simple. 6 chicken wings, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 6 cloves of garlic, and 6 stems of cilantro. I bought this cilantro with a stem because the stem is very flavorful for this dish. Through the miracle of time, I've already put all those ingredients into the blender and made a cilantro paste. So I'm going to mix the cilantro paste with the chicken wings, and I'm going to marinate the chicken wing for about 2 hours before I put it in the toaster oven to cook it. So I'm going to put the chicken wing on a rack and make sure I have the skin side up so that the heating element on the top of the toaster oven will make the chicken skin a little bit more crispy. So it's very simple. Just set your toaster oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees C for 18 minutes. So it's ready for the tasting. The chicken wing is very crispy and very tasty, and also very juicy. It's a very simple recipe. Go and try it out and let me know how it comes out in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the notification of new video. Please do come back and watch my cooking and travel video. See you next time.